Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, we review the best products on Amazon so you don't waste your money. Today we're taking a close look at the Apple iPad 11-inch, a 16-chip, 11-inch model, and by the end of this video you'll know exactly whether it's worth your money or not. Let's get into it. You know how sometimes you just need something to make all the tedious tasks on your daily commute disappear? Well, that's what people are looking for in an iPad, a tool that can help them stay connected, create, and get things done without breaking the bank. And I'm excited to share with you why this latest model from Apple is one of the most impressive ones yet. Imagine having a device that lets you watch movies on the go, edit photos and videos like a pro, and even use it as a second screen for your laptop, all in one incredibly portable package. That's what this iPad delivers, folks. Now let's dive into some of its key features that made me fall in love with it. First up, we have the performance and storage. I mean, who doesn't want to be able to play immersive games on their commute or edit those photos like a pro without any lag? This A16 chip is lightning fast, making everything from video editing to gaming a breeze. And with all-day battery life, you can go as long as you need without worrying about running out of juice. Next, we have the Liquid Retina display, which, trust me, is an absolute game-changer. The colors are so vivid, and True Tone adjusts the display to match the color temperature of your surroundings, making it perfect for watching movies or creating art on the go. It's honestly like having a tiny piece of Hollywood in the palm of your hand. And then there's Wi-Fi 6, which gives you lightning-fast access to your files, uploads, and downloads, all while letting you seamlessly stream your favorite shows without any hiccups. Plus, with the right accessories, this iPad transforms into an immersive drawing canvas that'll make you feel like a pro artist in no time. I have to say, I was really impressed by how seamless everything felt once I got started using it. Of course, there are some downsides. For instance, some people might find the lack of USB-C ports slightly annoying, although Apple does offer an adapter. But overall, this is a device that truly delivers on its promises. So, who should buy this iPad? If you're someone who's always on the go and needs a reliable tool to stay productive, or if you're an artist looking for the perfect companion to unleash your creativity. And honestly, even if you don't fall into either of those categories, just think about how great it would be to have an all-day battery life in one of your favorite shows. On the other hand, there are a few reasons why some people might want to skip this iPad. For instance, if you're someone who's always glued to their phone and doesn't need a separate device for anything except maybe watching movies or playing games, then this might not be the right fit. But for most people out there, I say go for it. This is an investment that'll pay off in the long run. And if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell so you never miss our weekly Amazon reviews. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one. The link to grab the Apple iPad 11-inch, a 16-chip, 11-inch model, is right below in the description.